Again today, we have said it from the beginning that Chanel did not receive a fair shake, that the jurors were tainted, the judge is biased, and you have consistently seen that with every motion that has been put forth by the defense, it has been denied. And we believe it's been denied on the premise of biasness, not of due diligence, and not of respect for Chanel's rights. So again, we have said it over and over, justice for Chanel, the biased jury, the biased judge, and liberation for Chanel. We are not allowing this. We're standing for justice. And again, we have shown over and over again, that the jury was tainted, that the jury was tainted, that there was misconduct done by at least two or three of the jurors, that you had a juror that was not sure. As you had seen in testimony, they said over and over he couldn't recall. They couldn't recall. So there's no absolute. The same way we believe that there was not beyond a reasonable doubt that Chanel was found guilty by the evidence that was presented, the same way the jury was unsure about this verdict.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
How did you feel about how the judge conducted
Please
the
tell
hearing
me
today?
One second. You get a chance to answer your question.
We believe that, listen, this has been a kangaroo court from the beginning, and the judge has acted like a kangaroo, overseeing a kangaroo court. This is a circus, a clear circus. Every motion that we have put forth that had legitimacy to it was denied. Denied from the beginning and denied today. So again, this is justice denied, and we're not going to stand for this. We're going to call out this judge in front of the court, inside the courtroom, and when we need to. We will not stand for this type of injustice, this type of kangaroo court. Who can imagine in this day and time that we will have cameras, a computer system fail during a deliberation session? We're talking about a judicial system that has billions and billions of dollars, but yet you can't get the cameras right, you can't get the computers right, and we want to trust this judge now to have a jurisdiction over this particular hearing? It's absurd. It's a kangaroo court, and he's a clown, and this is a circus.
This judge have had more cases reversed than any other judge in the state of New York. So I know for sure that this case will be reversed based on the evidence.
That's right.
The name of this is, it will be reversed, and based on its rulings over and over again, he allowed the prosecutor to enter things that were not supposed to enter into evidence, and he denied the defense their right to enter the evidence that would have freed this young man.
That's right.
And I'm going to say again and again, I've done investigation work for too many years, and right now I know that the NYPD should fire the two detectives that put the charges against this young man for coercion, for one, and their ass should go to jail. They should be in jail.
And we want to say right now, we have a young man, Chanel Lewis.
This is not a Central Park case.
That's in jail because of the fact that he was just walking around Howard Beach, and he was racially profiled.
Right.
And the NYPD, without a search warrant or subpoena, went to his mother's house and swabbed his mouth, which is unconstitutional, that you cannot do this. So the message to Howard Beach is sending all of us young black men here that if we walk in that community and we get stopped and frisked by the NYPD and somebody get killed, 8 months later, we are subject to being a suspect for just walking in Howard Beach, and it's unconstitutional.
All right. Justice for Chanel.
My name is Michael.
Justice for Chanel.
Justice for Chanel. Chris Banks.
Chris Banks, and your name?
Listen, I'm Dr. Marcus.
Okay, and your name is?
Michael
I'm
Thomas,
Dr. Marcus.
retired law enforcement officer and a community advocate and a criminal justice activist.
I'm
And
Dr.
we here
Burchell
right
and
now
Marcus.
for injustice that was done to this young man.
For this girl that my son did not kill. The police They come there and
Can
they
you
pay
step
They want to up over here. Listen, y'all want her to talk. Let her talk. Well, listen, guys. Again, this is the reason why we're going to appeal this. We object and wait for the appeal.
And it will be, we're going to file for speech. For an appeal.
This is illegal because it's very.
That's railroad him like you did me.
Bring her to the mic. Bring her to the mic.
Wait, come to the microphone, Mrs. Lewis. Sorry, guys.
Why do you think
Bring her to the mic. Bring her to the mic.
Because my son is innocent. And from day one, my son, Channel Lewis, is innocent. You know why he does this? Because this is an Italian, and this is racist. Why they do it? But I am not a racist because I am a mother. And I feel the Vetranos pain because they lost their daughter. But I too lost a son, and my son is not the killer. But you know what? I will get my reward from the righteous judge up there. God Almighty, because no sin, not going punished. And the verdict, it's already reversed in the name of Jesus.
And how do you feel about the sentencing tomorrow? There is going to be a sentencing.
It's already released. I don't worry about that.
It's a fraud.
That's right.
It's fraudulent. We don't
The
trust the
same God that
decisions of
keep
this
him
court.
all these years, the same God gonna keep him.
That's right. The sentencing was done when he first walked through Howard Beach. Must remind y'all that Yusuf Hawkins got killed from being in Howard Beach. So when you're black, they don't want you in Howard Beach.
What's the sentence, my son?
with it. All right? The district attorney have a lot to do with it. That's all they do is railroad African Americans in this system.
As
black people. And I'm one of them. And I'm fighting right now for my name, clear my
Go
name.
check it in the
I'm fighting to clear my name. And the district attorney's
You
up
know
in
what I want to say?
Please.
The killer is still out there.
That's what they do, railroad.
Killers.
My son didn't kill him.
Go find the killers.
Go find the killers.
Go find the killers. Go find the killers. Go find the killers. Go find the killers. Go find the killers. Go find the killers.